In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. Having a clear unsubscribe link in your emails isn't just a legal requirement in many places. It also helps keep your audience engaged and your sender reputation healthy. When people can easily opt out, they're less likely to mark your messages as spam, and that's good for your overall deliverability. Let's walk through the process step by step inside Mailchimp's email builder so you can confidently add this link to any campaign. First, open your email draft in the Mailchimp builder. This can be a regular campaign, an automated email, or a template you're working on. Just make sure you're in the design stage where you can see your email layout and blocks. Next, click into a text content block where you want your unsubscribe option to appear. Most people place this in the footer of the email, near other details like their mailing address or contact information. Click directly inside that text block so the text editor tools show up. Now, type the words you want to turn into the unsubscribe link. A common choice is something simple and clear, like unsubscribe here or click here to unsubscribe. The wording is up to you, but keep it obvious so subscribers immediately understand what it does. Once you've typed that text, go ahead and highlight it with your mouse. This tells Mailchimp that this specific part of the text is what you want to convert into a clickable link. Look at the toolbar that appears above the text block. Find the link icon, which looks like a small chain. Click that icon to open the link settings pop-up. In the pop-up, you'll see an option labeled Link To. Change this setting to Web. Even though you're not sending people to a regular website, this is the correct option for adding the unsubscribe merge tag in Mailchimp. In the URL field, type the merge tag exactly like this, unsub. This special code tells Mailchimp to automatically generate a unique unsubscribe link for each subscriber when the email is sent. When you're done, click Insert or Save in the pop-up. Your highlighted text is now an active unsubscribe link. Before sending your campaign, use Mailchimp's preview and test email features to make sure the link appears correctly. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're ready to send a compliant, subscriber-friendly email with a proper unsubscribe link.